All right, welcome back. This is Bryant again from the Plugin Optimizer team. And here I am going to show you how to use categories to organize your filters. So in the beginning, when you're first making filters, it might not seem that important, but if you have 100 filters, you're going to want to know different categories for those filters. The categories will be based on the type of pages or endpoints that you're going to be filtering. So in this case, let's create a filter, and we're going to call this landing page filter 2, and we're going to use the URL of landing page 2. And then let's say that on that landing page, we do not need to run any WooCommerce plugins. So we've blocked WooCommerce. And now we're going to go down here and we are going to create a category. And actually, I've already created a category called landing page filters. And we'll save this filter to that category, and then you go click OK, and if we go over here to categories, you'll see there are now 2 filters in the landing page filters. So if you're ever looking for a filter, you can see here what category that filter's in.